So hey viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in this video we are sharing a lot of ideas that are related to Christmas cards, handmade cards, die cards for kids, for your loved ones. So before starting the video, who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel for more latest and trendy updated videos. So let's begin the video. Today's video is so useful and so helpful for you as we are sharing a lot of ideas related to Christmas die handmade cards. And if you want to wish someone, and if you want to wish your partner, wish your loved ones, so you can make such kind of cards. These are handmade cards that are super cool, and even it's the best activity for kids to make Christmas cards in school. So you can perform such kind of activities, and it looks very easy cards. So some are very interesting cards. You can make Olaf, snowman, Santa Claus, and Christmas tree, such as stars and lot of stuff. So guys, take the screenshot of that idea that you like the most, and even you can download this video. So whenever you will be free, you can go to your offline videos, watch the video till end, and select the die handmade card idea that you like the most. That will be helpful for you. So guys, we share a lot of stuff related to Christmas, such as Christmas cake decoration ideas, Christmas tree decoration, Christmas home decoration, Christmas theme party dress for girls, for boys, for kids, and many more things. So you can visit our channel for such kind of videos. Please subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Goodbye. Stay home, stay safe, stay connected.